Let me guess what you are doing. You are lying in bed or sitting on your couch. You are watching this video hoping for a spark, a feeling. You are waiting for motivation. You watch edits of muscular men lifting weights. You watch billionaires talking about the hustle. And for 5 minutes you feel powerful. You feel ready to conquer the world. And then you turn off the phone. The feeling fades, and you do absolutely nothing. You are addicted to the feeling of progress without the pain of actual work. It is mental masturbation. I am not here to motivate you. Motivation is garbage. Motivation is a fair weather friend. It leaves you when it rains. And in real life, it rains a lot. If you are waiting until you feel like it, you are already dead. Welcome to MindBlack. Today, we kill your motivation, and we replace it with something stronger. Something that doesn't care how you feel. Discipline. Let's look at the psychology of the loser versus the winner. The amateur waits for inspiration. The professional just gets to work. Imagine a soldier in a trench. It is raining, it is cold. He is terrified. Does he ask his sergeant, "Excuse me, I don't feel motivated to fight today"? No, he fights because he must. Because he is disciplined. Your brain is designed to seek comfort. It is designed to save energy. Every time you want to do something hard, go to the gym, start that business, your brain screams, "No! It's too hard. Let's watch Netflix instead." That voice is not your friend. That voice is your biological anchor. When you rely on motivation, you are listening to your feelings. And let's be honest, your feelings are weak. Your feelings change with the weather. They change if you are hungry. They change if you are tired. You cannot build an empire on something as fragile as your mood. Fuck your feelings. So how do you bypass this biological weakness? You have to understand friction. Physics tells us that the hardest part of moving an object is starting. Once it is moving, momentum takes over. It is the same with your brain. The hardest part of the gym is putting on your shoes. The hardest part of writing is opening the laptop. Stop thinking about the huge mountain. Just look at the first step. Use the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, "I will just do this for 2 minutes. If I hate it, I will stop." You know what happens? Once you start, the friction disappears. The pain vanishes. You keep going for an hour. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Most people wait for the fire to start the engine. No, you start the engine to create the fire. Stop thinking. Start moving. Motion beats meditation. There is a concept called callusing your mind. When you work with your hands, the skin gets damaged. It hurts. But then, the skin grows back thicker. It becomes a callus. It becomes armor. Your mind works the same way. Every time you do something you hate, you add a layer of armor to your mind. Running in the rain, waking up at 4 a.m., eating clean when you want pizza. It sucks. But that suffering is the point. The more you suffer voluntarily, the less the world can hurt you. When life hits you, and it will hit you hard, the motivated man breaks. he crumbles. But the disciplined man, the calloused man, he looks at the pain and says, "Is that all you got?" You need to fall in love with the boredom. Success is not a movie montage. It is doing the same boring thing every single day for years. If you can't handle the boredom, you don't deserve the gold. Let me leave you with a nightmare. Imagine you are 90 years old. You are on your deathbed. You are weak. Your time is up. Suddenly, a man walks into the room. He looks like you, but he is stronger, richer, happier. He is the version of you that could have existed, the version that didn't hit snooze, the version that didn't wait for motivation. He looks at you and says, "I lived the life you were too scared to build." That is hell. Hell is meeting the man you could have been. But here's the good news. You are not on your deathbed yet. You are here. You have time. But the clock is ticking. Tick, tock. Motivation will not save you. Only you can save you. So, I am not going to ask you to like this video. I am going to ask you to do something harder. Turn off your phone right now. Do not watch another video. Do not scroll. Go do the one thing you have been avoiding all day. Do it for 5 minutes. Prove to yourself that you are not a slave to your feelings. Kill your motivation. Resurrect your discipline. This is MindBlack. If you are still here, wake up and get to work.